The Audi RS7 Sportback, where performance, luxury, and precision engineering come together to create automotive perfection. Every detail of the RS7 is designed to thrill. From its single-frame honeycomb grille to its bold curves, this car radiates dominance on the road. The dynamic matrix LED headlights light the way forward, while the signature RS taillights leave a lasting impression. Under the hood, the RS7 boasts a 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine delivering a staggering 600 horsepower and 800 nanometers of torque. Paired with Audi's legendary Quattro all-wheel drive, the RS7 rockets from 0 to 100 kilometers per h in just 3.6 seconds, a true masterpiece of performance engineering. Step inside and you're surrounded by pure luxury. The Audi RS7's cabin features Valcona leather sport seats, carbon fiber trims, and a state-of-the-art Audi virtual cockpit. Control everything with the intuitive MMI touch response system, and let the premium Bang & Olufsen sound system immerse you in crystal-clear audio. Whether cruising through the city or tearing down open roads, the RS7 delivers a ride that's both exhilarating and refined. Its RS adaptive air suspension ensures unmatched comfort, while the ceramic brakes and dynamic handling keep you in total control. The Audi RS7. Sportback isn't just a car. It's an experience, a perfect blend of power, luxury, and cutting-edge technology.